Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program, Standard 6. Hello students, today we will be covering lesson 2.1, a wall magazine for your class. So, the chapter basically about a class came up with an idea to prepare a wall magazine for their class, and everyone was so impressed with that, and it was a fun activity, fun with learning. Students of 6th A bubbled with enthusiasm all the time, be it sports, hobbies, or studies. This year they surprised the rest of the school by bringing out a wall magazine. The idea became so popular that soon there were unique wall magazines in almost every class in the school. This is what class 6th A did to plan and prepare their wall magazine. So here we will be going through how class managed to came up with the idea. First, the students and class teacher of 6th A brought several children's magazine and pages of children's sections in periodicals and newspapers to the classroom. So, first they gathered ideas from various pages of magazines, periodicals, and newspapers and collected them in the classroom. There are lots of magazines come related to studies, fashion, and economics. Newspaper also gives us knowledge. Periodicals are magazine or issues that comes up after a fixed period of time. They studied the contents to see what all was included in the magazines. There was a tremendous varieties, stories, poems, puzzles, riddles, craft ideas, informative articles, interesting tidbits of information, jokes, board games, book reviews, quizzes, study tips, health tips, and even recipes. There were also columns about students' achievements, doubts, and problems. These columns were run with the help of teachers or parents. So they all studied all the content and they got a tremendous varieties from stories to recipes. They gathered it all, the puzzles, poems, riddles, informative articles, everything. They also put up one column which was related to students' achievements, their doubts and problems, and that was taken care of by teachers and parents. After studying all the materials, a discussion was held in the class to choose section for their own magazine. It was decided that after discussing the content of the magazine, it was decided that there would be at least 4 issues of the magazine. There would be a separate team for each issue. The team would have an editor or one or two sub-editors, illustrators, and writers. So they decided that to divide class in 4 sections and each section had their own separate work and had to work as a team. The sections were like editors, sub-editors, illustrators, and writers. Anyone in the class could send contribution to the issue. The editors would select the articles to be included and their decision would be final. Apart from the team, anyone in the class could share their ideas, but the editor's decision would be final. Thus, there would be 4 different teams to work on the 4 issues. The columns were planned with the help of the class teacher. Apart from the editorial team, More groups were made to run columns like craft ideas, recipes, I need help, science corner, etc. It was the job of these groups to collect material for their respective columns. So, the class teacher was the head of the project and she managed everything under guidance. As we have read earlier that class was divided into several teams. One was editorial and the rest of them had their own work. With the teacher's help, a prominent place was fixed to display the magazine in the classroom. A long discussion was held to choose a good name for the magazine. Prominent means easily seen. So one place was fixed to display the magazine and they also gave a good name for the magazine. So there is a page related to jokes and related to the vocabulary. Then one page is science corner. Science corner, fact related to the science. Next, I am confused, please help. So this is I need help corner. Student can write their advice, write their problems, their doubts here. Then we have rhymes and rhythms, means poem of the students. And so, like this, they made their own wall magazine. And you people can also try this for your class. It's a fun activity and you will get to learn a lot. Thank you.